in the second row, that will be better? Or were you saying before, somebody was saying before, that
Oh,
the man
hurry.
should be in the front?
You in the first row.
Second
I don't
row?
know. First row.
Men. So what will happen to the alto? They will be separated?
Mercy. Mercy is in Macau.
Maybe soprano will be separated. How many
No,
sopranos?
no. If you're making it like 3 rows, then there will be like the first row, there will be altos, the first row soprano, and then all men, and then at the back will be the ladies again. Because your voice is soft. When we performed here, you at the back, the voices of the ladies are so loud. Because this time you're not a lot. Last year we were many. Yeah. So what do you think? So that means I'll separate soprano one at the back. They cannot be only in one row because there's a lot of them. You're not complete, right? So that means on the third row will be another alto, right?
Well, as long as they can sing independently, it's okay. But if they cannot sing independently, it's better for them to stay together.
So that means you go back to the third row.
No, if we cannot separate them, then
We have
the boys
mics
go
in the
to the
back,
back
right?
row again.
No, there's only one mic here.
On the front.
Now, if we cannot separate them, then boys still stay at the back.
But could we add mics for the back?